Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. I hope to make real progress on this and maybe even finish it. The filati ended up taking me longer than I thought it would last week, so I didn't get as far as I wanted. So this week I'm hoping to get a little bit further. And over here I made a little bit of progress last week on this chick. I decided that this is going to be a two-sided mosaic. So I'm going to do something on the other side, and then, hello, I finished this. Now I just need to grout it. I'll probably, because it's so pastel, I'll probably use white. But that needs to be grouted this week. I'm not in any hurry, so I might wait till this is done and then do them at the same time. That's it. Also on the agenda this week is to clean off my bird bath. My husband just went under the house and turned the water back on so I can rinse it off. It's so much better already. Get all that muck out of there from the winter. It's looking good. I may come out and wipe it down later, but it's good for now. on my chick now. Unfortunately, I have this giant mess to clean up from the mosaic that I just finished. So let me tackle that first. Step one to cleaning up is to get rid of the Thinset in this bag. And the way that I've been doing it for a while is to just add it to this stepping stone. I've already taken it out of the mold, been filling it with leftover Thinset for a while. So I'm gonna add this to it and spread it out. Now I pack up all my Smalti, which I sort of had surrounding my central workstation. Weld Bond is my glue of choice for interior projects, especially using stained glass like the chick that I'm working on. But I just wanted to point out that I buy the big jugs because I go through it so quickly, and sometimes I buy this size. But what I like to do is transfer it into one of these bottles. This is a Wilton bottle for cake decorating, I think. And I just got it at Walmart, 2 for $1, something like that. It has a nice little cap on the top to keep the glue from drying out. And that's the main reason I like it, because it's convenient. This jug is way too big, so I had to transfer it into something. And this thing is always getting clogged. And then I spend all my time unclogging it. This one, if it happens to get clogged, I can just twist it off and clean it out in the sink, because Weld Bond is water soluble. So this is the way that I go. Sometimes when cutting long, thin strips, I will score it. And then I will realize that my running pliers are not going to get the job done, because there's not enough on either side of the score line to press down and break that score. In that case, I'll take my grozing pliers, which have one straight jaw and one curved jaw. Put the curved jaw on the bottom of the glass, perpendicular to the score line, and just break it off like so. Easy peasy. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.